Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about indexing with two-dimensional arrays using NumPy. To select an element in two-dimensional array, we specify a tuple containing the element's row and column indices in square brackets. Let's first import NumPy as NP. So we are going to type import NumPy as NP. And now we are going to create our array. My array by using NP's array. And we're going to pass in list. And one more. And now we have our array. We are going to select the element from our row 0 and column 1. Over here, this is our row 0, and the column 1 is this one. This is column 0, this is column 1, and we are going to select this element, and we can do this by using this syntax. Over here we have our array, my array, and pass in the row 0 and column 1. Let's print this element, and here is the output. This is our element. Now we will see how to select a subset of a two-dimensional arrays rows. To select a single row, we need to specify only one index in square brackets. We are going to print our row 1 and type print and pass in our array, my array, and the row number. And we get our first row. To select multiple sequential rows, we can use slice notation. And we are just going to print also. This would be my array. And our 0 row and the second row. And just save and run. So this will be from 0 to the 1. That will be first 2 rows. So let's run. So here are our first 2 rows. To select multiple non-sequential rows, we can use a list of row indices. So let's try that. We're going to select row 1 and row 3. So this would be 1 and 3. And our array name, my array. The first row start with 0, so this one, the second one in our multi-dimensional arrays is 1, and the third one, and so on. Third one is on 2. So over here we are going to select row 1 and 3. So our row 1 over here is this one. This is 0 row, this is 1, this is 2, and this one is 3. So we are selecting this row and this row. And just save and print. We need one more over here. Square brackets. And this way we get our row 1 and row number 3. Row 1 and third row. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Same Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.